Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a thrifting with me video and I'm going to show you guys how I find great deals and great styles when I go thrifting. So the first tip I have for you is when you're going thrifting is to have a mindset of what your style is or what you like to find. That's going to help you when going through clothes, so you're going to know what's easiest to pick. So one tip that I have for myself and I learned from my mom is to find clothes that have tags. You're not going to find a lot, but you will find some. Because this is a thrift store, you cannot return these clothes. So try to find the best items. Another tip that I have is don't be afraid to go out of your comfort zone. You might find something that you actually like. So I actually found a lot of stuff today, which is a win. Okay, ignore that. That's my purse. But I have a whole basket today, which is really good. So, lately I actually been seeing people wear blazers as dresses. And I like the material. It's like velvet. So when I go thrifting, I usually always pick up a men's dress shirt and I wear them like as a dress with shorts underneath, or I tie them up, and I really like this style. So first I got this blue, it's like a darker blue. I can't really like, yeah. So I got this faux fur and it has a tag on it. Tag. I got this faux fur. It is meant to go around your neck as so, like a scarf. As you can see, it has like the hole. And you wear it like that. I mean, it looks cute. Ignore my shirt. I should have wore a plain shirt. But if I had on a plain shirt, it would look cute. So I might wear it that way. But as soon as I saw it, I wanted to wear it like this. Like, you know those things you just go like that. Or you can put it over one shoulder. I think that's so cute. Like, you can wear it on your head, wear it as a scarf over one shoulder, or just pop it over your shoulders. So many looks. I paid $1 for this. Okay. And the original price is $25. It did come with a tag, so it was new. Next thing that I got is this jacket. I've been wanting a jacket like this for so long, and I finally found it. So first, this jacket was $8. The material is corduroy. The inside is fake fur around the collar, and then it goes inside throughout the jacket, and then at the end of the sleeves. I think this one is my favorite. Next, this jeans jacket. Now, if you know me, I love jeans, I love denim, all those kind of things. I have on jeans right now, but yeah, I love jeans jackets, denim, shorts. This was a major deal. I found this jeans jacket. This is a Gap jeans jacket for $10, right? So I saw $10. Then I realized that jackets were half off. I got this jacket for $5. Where can you find a Gap jeans jacket for $5? A thrift store. I never been able to find a jeans jacket in this color. I usually get them darker, but finally I have a lighter one, and it's like close to acid wash. Yes. Okay, so I got this t-shirt. Also, as I said earlier, you have to really dig through. It has a tag. It says Paris Sherry. But I got this for $3. Great condition with a tag on. And I just thought it was cute because I love Paris so much. As you can see, This is a picture of Paris, and it says Paris. I got this sweater, and I got this black sweater, and it's cropped, and it kind of gives me that Juicy Couture vibe. Can you focus? It has sequins that says 67 and then a heart, and then the back is just plain. Guys, so this was $5, so this was $2.50. Okay, so that was it for the thrifting. So now I'm gonna move on to another tip that I have. So, okay, another tip that I have is don't be afraid to go to the clearance rack when you go to Nordstrom, JCPenney, TJ Maxx, and Macy's, stores like that, because you'll actually find some really good stuff for less. I wanted to show this purse that I got when I went thrifting in Virginia. It is a 9 West purse. I think it was so cute. I stole it from my mom. Thrift store that I went to in Virginia had a military discount, so after the military discount, which was 20%, I got this purse. Guess. 97 cents. If you work or you get allowance, then you can, every time you have money, you set yourself to say, okay, I'm gonna put $30 away, $25 away, and it will add up. When you look at all your savings, you're gonna be like, oh my goodness, you can go shopping. And even then, when you want to spend your savings, don't spend all of your savings. You get what I'm saying? Don't spend all of your savings, because then you're just gonna go back to square one, and that's gonna be like a waste of saving. But now that I work and I get allowance from my parents, saving can be very important. Yes, start young. You're never too young to save. Because I saved, I got some other stuff. I got this shirt. It's so cute. As I said earlier in this video, I love button-up shirts like this. So I got this shirt. It says, the name of the brand is Beach Unlodged. So it gave me like a beach vibe. Like you can wear this on top of your swimsuit. The print, it's pinstripes, like a lavender and white. For this, which the company would sell it for, was $28. Then at TJ Maxx, it was being sold for $19.99. Then it went on clearance, and I got this for $15. Next! Okay, the next items that I got were not on clearance. I got this red windbreaker. At the side, it says stripes, black and white. And then it zippers. It's also cropped too. So this was $19.99. And the original brand will sell this for $25. So TJ Maxx makes their clothes much affordable, so that's why I love shopping there, because you find really good stuff and the styles are also up to date. So last but not least, I got this sports bra. Good. So at the bottom is the elastic band of the bra. So the manufacturer price, which is a tag of the company, it was $42. I got this for $12.99. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching. I will be having much more fashion related videos on my channel, so stay tuned.